Africa Media Live
Peter
TV.
Obi
Kindly
should find
subscribe
better
to our YouTube
vacation
channel
instead
to
of
get
casting
updated on the
aspersion
trending gist,
on the
latest
judiciary.
news all over the
Labour Party
world.
presidential
Like our
candidate in the
page,
last election, Mr.
subscribe,
Peter
and share
Obi,
with friends. Thank
addressed
you.
a press conference just like Atiku Abubakar, where he cast aspersions on the Supreme Court and the Independent National Electoral Commission for not declaring him the winner of the February 25th, 2023 election. We are at a loss as to how the copycat Obi and his faction of the Labour Party convinced themselves they won an election in which they came a distant third. The grand delusion that made Mr. Obi believe he could have won a national election where he ran the most hopeful, divisive, and polarizing campaign that pitched Christians against Muslims and one ethnic group against the other in a multi-ethnic and multi-religion society like Nigeria should be better for deeper examination. We expected the Labour Party candidate to know that the Supreme Court or any other court does not give judgment based on the public opinion and mob sentiments. Judiciary pronouncements are based on evidence, precedent, and the rule of law. Having they admitted that the Supreme Court ruling brought an end to litigation and any challenge to the bona fide of President Bola Ahmed Tinubu as the validly elected leader of Nigeria and the commander-in-chief of the armed forces. Obi should have congratulated President Tinubu for his victory and pledged his support in the spirit of statesmanship. But instead, he brought up extraneous matters. He thought the apex court should have considered and declared him the winner. In our view, the drawing Obi, just like Atiku, was merely attempting to hold on a straw in the racking up allegation which exists only in his immigration, and that is holds of supports. Our admonition to Peter Obi is to find another worthwhile vocation to engage his time henceforth, having rejected by majority of Nigerians who didn't consider him qualified to lead our country. Candidate Dr. Dati Baba Ahmed had exhausted all legal means to challenge the 2023 general election. Peter Obi noted that the party was now ready to take the message of a new Nigerian to the grassroots. It could be recalled that Obi and his People's Democratic Party counterpart Atiku Abubakar had challenged the victory of Tinubu in the last election to the apex court. Not satisfied with the verdict of the Presidential Election Petition Tribunal, earlier in September, Atiku and Obi approached the Supreme Court seeking the nullification of Tinubu's election on the ground of double nomination, alleged certificate forgery, non-transmission of the results electronically, 25% votes in the Federal Capital Territory, amongst others. On Thursday, October 26, the Supreme Court upheld President Bola Ahmed Tinubu's victory. The court held that All Progressive Congress (APC) candidate was the valid winner of the presidential election that held on February 25. Nigeria indicted Peter Obi and Zemugui at the poll because he posted present and future danger to the peace, progress, and stability of our country. Obi attendance as governor of Anambra for 8 years didn't inspire any confidence as someone capable of ruling a country like Nigeria. No tangible record of achievements in the state. The government recommend him for the presidency of Nigeria if Mr. Peter Obi truly believes in Nigeria. The time to prove it is now when all men and women of goodwill are relying supporting for President Tinubu in his determination to lead a new era of prosperity, inclusive governance, and economic growth in Nigeria. Finally, we welcome Obi and his party to play the role of the opposition and start preparing for another shot at the presidency in 2027. We hope by then he would campaign on issues and not whip up religion and ethnic sentiments as he did in the last campaign. Bayo Onanuga, Special Advisor to the President of Information and Strategy. Thank you and stay tuned for more updated breaking news or video.
Africa Media Live TV. Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel to get updated on the trending gist, latest news all over the world. Like our page, subscribe, and share with friends. Thank you.